Hey everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we're gonna study just 3 Korean words. And headline, 똑같은 글자 찾기. 똑같은 means same, 글자 is letter, and 찾기 is find. So 똑같은 글자 찾기 is find the same letter. And 회색 글자를 따라 쓰고 write the gray color letter and 같은 글자를 찾아 find the same letter and connect with a line. 선으로 연결해요. 같은 글자를 찾아 선으로 연결해요. Find the same letter and connect with a line. So let's have a look. First one, we studied 기역, K, 카, 디귿, D, U. So this is 카드. 카드 is card in Korean. So gray color letter is 카. Where is 카? Here. This is 카. So connect it. And second one, 미음, M, is A, 시옷 is S, is U. And 키읔, K, is U. So this is 마스크. 마스크 is just mask. This mask. Mask. Mask in Korean is also 마스크. 마스크. Not that different, right? So this is gray color. 크 is here is 크. 키읔 is K and is EU. 크. 크. And last one, 시옷, S, is EU, and 키읔 is K, and E is I. So here is key, K, I, key. So that's it. Today's very short video, right? And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.